Hey guys, Sushant here, and today I'm going to show you my assembled PC which I did almost 4 months back, and it still works well. So it may be useful for you if you're planning to assemble a PC for yourself. But please note, this is not the tutorial to guide you how to build your computer, but I'm just showing you the demo of my assembled PC. I use my PC for basic computing, gaming and graphics design. However, I have not included the graphics card as of now, but in a plan to upgrade it very soon. So with this, let's have a look of the parts I have used. I have included Intel i5 4440 4th generation processor. It is a quad-core 3.1 GHz LGA 1150 pin processor. It includes integrated Intel HD 4600 graphics and also consumes less power. For motherboard, I have used Gigabyte B85M D3H. It is a LGA 1150 socket motherboard for Intel's 4th generation CPUs. It has micro ATX construction but includes a DVI port, means dual monitor support right out of the box. It can support up to 32 GB of RAM as having 4 slots. It does have two USB 3.0 and 4 USB 2.0 ports at rear panel. For RAM, I have used the Kingston Hyper X Fury DDR3 8GB RAM. I have used two sticks, each of 4GB. It is a gaming standard RAM having a plug-and-play compatibility because of auto-detect module. It also has a high compatibility heat spreader. For storage, I have used a Seagate Barracuda 1 TB of standard mechanical drive. For power supply unit, I have used the Cooler Master Thunder 500 watt. It is an efficient power supply and it's very silent. And now let's look at the assembly I did in Corsair Carbide 200R case having dual fans. Now let's look at the total cost of PC. Please note I have not included the cost of keyboard and mouse because I am using it from my previous build. The total cost of PC is 40,200 rupees, which is nearly 700 US dollar. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.